A Gantt chart is a type of bar chart that illustrates a project schedule. You can create a Gantt chart like this based on information in your Google spreadsheet using Viewpath's Gantt gadget. In the first part of this video, we'll show you how to make a simple chart. Then we'll show you how to link tasks on your chart, create a project with a hierarchy view, and how to automatically calculate the overall percent complete for your project. Please also note that this gadget is designed to work with the Internet Explorer or Firefox browsers and may not work with other browsers. In order for the gadget to work properly, your spreadsheet must contain the following columns: name, start date, and finish date. You can also add a column called percent complete to indicate the completion ratio on the gadget. This percentage will show as a black line within the tasks on the chart. To add the gadget, first highlight the columns that contain the information that you want to display by clicking on the column header and then dragging your mouse. Then, click on the Insert menu here, click on Gadget, and choose Gantt Chart. If you forgot to highlight the columns before launching the gadget, you can manually enter the range of data in the Range field here. Now, match up these other fields with the appropriate columns. Click on Apply if you want to view the chart without closing this edit window, or click on Apply and Close to view just the chart. The chart will display a 1-month view by default. You can zoom in and out on the chart using these icons here, or navigate to previous or next dates using these arrows here. You can click and drag the header to move the chart around on the screen or resize it like you would any other window. Click on this icon here and choose About this gadget for additional Gantt chart features and updates. If you want to see a broad overview of your entire project, add a column for Work Breakdown Structure, or WBS. This column contains a number with decimal values. In this example, the top task is simply called Main Project and has a WBS value of 1. You can see here that the subordinates to the project have decimal values of 1.01 through 1.15. When we launch the gadget, we'll see that the first line, Main Project, is displayed with a white bar. In this example, the first line spans our entire project because I've set the finish date here to match the finish date of the last task here. Now that we've made this row the parent of the overall project, let's use a function in the Google spreadsheet to automatically calculate how much of the entire project is complete. This feature allows you to update the percent complete in one of the subordinates here, and the accumulative total is displayed in this box here as well as being updated on the gadget. To do this, double-click on this cell, type the equal sign followed by the word average and an open parentheses. Now highlight all the rows below this one, close parentheses, and hit Enter. Notice that when I change this subtask to 100% complete, the overall percentage here is automatically updated. Finally, in order to create a link between two tasks, you'll need to add an ID column and a predecessor column. The ID column must contain a unique whole number to identify each task. These numbers are different from the numbers here in the WBS column in that they must be whole numbers with no decimal values. To create a dependency link from one task to another, use the predecessor column to reference the number in the ID column. For example, if you want to create a dependency between tasks 1 and 2 here, enter the number 1 in the predecessor column next to task 2. I'll do the same to link tasks 2 and 3, and tasks 3 and 4. When we add the gadget now, we see that the first line, Main Project, has a white bar that spans the entire project and that the percent complete is indicated in black both here and here. We also see that the dependency that we created between tasks are indicated with these link lines. Let's zoom into a weekly view to get a closer look. Note that as we update the spreadsheet, the Gantt gadget automatically refreshes to display the updates. For example, I'll update the percent complete on these tasks, and I'll add a couple more links here. And we see that these changes have been updated in our chart. And it's just that simple. For more advanced scheduling tools, be sure to check out our free, easy-to-use project management tools at www.viewpath.com.